Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
If I lose it all, will you still be here? We die for the money, we cry golden tears. Bloody noses up in Beverly.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday. It's Face Chart Friday. And the only thing I have done is my eyebrows, clearly. So this face chart, again, Instagram, poll. One got chosen over the other. So that's the one that I will be doing. If you are new here, every Friday, first of all, welcome to my channel. My name's Nikki, or Nami, whichever you prefer. If you're new, every Friday, I do face charts. Face charts by anybody, or people usually send me face charts. And I have to pick one, or I choose one, or I do it, etc., etc. So this particular face chart was out of a choice of 2. Cat hairs on my face, sorry. Out of a choice of 2, I did a poll on Instagram, and obviously the more preferred one won. So with all that being said, let's get started. I 100% look like a vampire. And this is the finished look. It's very, very vampy. I think the lip makes it super vampy. And I did, of course, use as the picture, one of the Rachel C face charts. And in the description under her picture, or under one of the pictures, she said that it was gold gems. I don't have any gold gems. I currently only have silver and pink. So yeah, that would have ruined the look. So I just used a gold lipstick. Don't judge me. You know, you gotta work with what you have available. I am going to wear this lip to work. I don't feel like changing anything. Usually if the lip is too crazy, I change it, but I'm just gonna, you know, students gonna have to deal with all of this today. I think my favorite part of this entire look is the lip. I like it. This is the ColourPop Times e.l.f. Sarai Mamacita lip. I believe that's the name of it. That better be the name of it, because the other one is Ariba, and Ariba is bright red. So yeah, I like it. BT Dubs, I colored my hair. Oh, you can see it. There it goes. Yeah, and I think you can see it more in the back. But I also sprayed it with some hair oil, so it's probably a little darker than normal. But, you know, that's okay, because, again, I does what I do all the time. I like this look, surprisingly. It's a whole lot of red and burgundy and whatnot. It's a whole lot. The only palette I had to use, minus the transition shade, well, actually, it was more so of a setting shade. I used the ABH Prism palette for that in the shade Unity. However, everything else came from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go finish getting ready for work. Hope everyone has a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.